So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Tata Motors share. So we know that many people have requested to make a separate technical analysis video on Tata Motors. So what would be the next immediate supports and resistances that the stock will be facing in the coming session. So each and everything we'll try to find out. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group so that you will not miss any instant update. Okay, so moving further towards the traded quantity versus deliverables. So you can see roughly today 3 crore shares have been traded, and moving towards deliveries, you can see 71,000 shares have been taken into deliveries, and percentage is around 18.98%. So previously when we discussed about Tata Motors near the 330 rupees level, so that time we have seen what would be the levels, and the most important thing was the crossover which has been generated. So in Tata Power followed by Tata Motors, in both of the stocks a similar type of crossover has been generated, so where the 50-day exponential moving average has crossed the 200-day exponential moving average on weekly chart time frame. So both of them, after giving the crossovers, little correction was present. So that is obvious, because wherever the stock is retesting, there should be the entry point for our fresh entry. So you should not worry about the correction. So you need to take the opportunity and invest near the retest. So today we'll see what are those levels where the support is present, and in the same way today market was also little volatile. So after traveling into negative region, again it has turned into positive side. So little fluctuation was present. So many, they tried to trap the retailers, but as I told in the morning video itself, were related to R Power. So don't try to exit. So you need to find the opportunity and need to invest in good fundamental stocks in small portions, and again all the stocks have retained. Okay, so if we see the day-to-day wise deliveries in Tata Motors, you can see on 17 June we have seen 23.6% deliveries, and you can see little traded quantity was present, but obviously the deliveries are remained roughly in the range of 25 to 26% in Tata Motors. But today we have seen little decrease, and stock has also corrected a little bit because of the market volatility. And also you can see before you can say roughly from 10th June to 15th June, so that time also stock was in little bit of consolidation phase. And when I take you to technical charts, there also you'll understand technically it is looking very sound near the support. So what is that level? So quickly let's go and discuss that. Okay, so we are back onto the technical charts, and you can see this is the 1 week chart of Tata Motors. So on weekly time frame, you can see clearly the stock is completely now entered in a particular range. So you can see what is the ultimate resistance where the stock is facing. So above 353 rupees region. So that is going to be the ultimate resistance where the stock, if it gives any breakout or any fresh entry, if you have done in that particular region, so you need to focus the 353 rupees region. So once it crosses that, definitely you can expect the 375 rupees mark. So this is in a range, and if we see what is the ultimate region of support, so that is coming near 325. So this is the next immediate support that we need to focus on weekly time frame. And you can see, as I told, a crossover where the 50-day exponential moving average is crossing the 200-day one, and that is also a bullish thing. Previously also I've discussed that. So little bit of correction is seen in today's weak candle, but don't worry about that. Clearly focus the 325 rupees level, and if you get any chance, you can accumulate in that particular region. Okay, so if we see the money flow index, so that is near 49. So that has also settled a little bit. So current market price is 337. So if you want to have any fresh entry or best level, if you want to do any sort of fresh entry, so as I told, focus the 325, and rest, if it starts retracing from the current levels itself, definitely you can focus for 350 as the immediate resistance. So quickly let's go to daily chart time frame, and there also we'll see what are the levels. Okay, so when we go to 1 day chart, so there you can see the green color line, which is nothing but the 50-day exponential moving average. So stock, whenever it approaches that particular region, so on or before, it retraces. So earlier also you can see whenever it has started approaching near the 50-day exponential moving average, it retraces very well. And the same way today, as I told, today after the gap down or whatever correction we have seen at the initial stages, but again whatever the buying has been seen in the stock, so same way after almost approaching approaching the 50-day exponential moving average, Tata Motors has also retraced. So same thing, once it settles above 340, definitely 350 plus can be seen in it. So hold patiently. So this is a long-term stock, not any intraday or swing trading. So if you want to do intraday, you can do it. But if you want high returns in just a short span of time, so that is not possible. So it is a slow and steady moving. So earlier it used to be volatile, but nowadays it is moving steadily. So once any stock goes steadily, there only we can expect some great returns in long term. So focus the levels and targets also have discussed. So if we go a little bit down, if we see money flow index, so that is near 64. Okay, so that is also very good range. So once it settles above 340, definitely you can expect a very good rally, and for fresh entry also have discussed the levels. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section. Also you can connect with me in Instagram. So Instagram ID is StocksDerivIT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.